Hey everyone! If you've got Fedora up and running, but it's not quite ready for daily use yet, don't worry. I'm going to show you the exact steps to make this system fast and fully loaded in just a couple of minutes. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Speeding up downloads. First, we need to fix the download speeds. Click Activities in the top left, search for Terminal, and open it. We're going to type this and hit enter. If it asks for a password, just type it in. You won't see any dots, but it's working. Now use your arrow keys to go to the very bottom and type this. This lets Fedora download 10 files at once instead of just 3. Press Ctrl O, hit enter to save, then Ctrl X to exit. Now, let's unlock the non-free apps like Steam and Discord. Type or paste the RPM Fusion command you see on screen and hit enter. This connects Fedora to the stores that carry the apps people actually use every day. If it asks for a Y or N, just type Y and hit enter to confirm. Step 3. Fixing video playback. Next, we need to make sure your videos and music actually play. We're going to install the media codecs by typing sudo dnf group upgrade multimedia. This takes care of all those missing drivers in one shot, so you won't run into format not supported errors later. Step 4. The finishing touches. Click the icons in the top right corner and hit the gear icon for settings. Head over to Displays on the left. Click the Night Light tab and toggle it on. This reduces blue light and makes the screen mods easier to look at. And that's it. Your Fedora system is now optimized and ready for anything. I hope this helped you out and I'll see you in the next one.